Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but I've wedged this up by sticking a screwdriver in the ground, and I've been able to get that. Ah! No, it's just come off. Ah! It's just given me that little bit of extra length on that screw to be able to actually get this on. Although it's very, very loose on there. It really does worry me. Am I going to be able to get it tight enough? Let's do that one first. Get my head right under here. Right, righty tighty. Okay. Right, that seems to be holding. Seemed to be at a better angle this time as well than when I was taking it off. Although it's still quite tricky with my left hand. Excuses, excuses. Okay. They are all finger tight. Get the socket. I can see the sump plate hunkering up. Is that a turn? Right, tightening, getting closer and closer to the thingy, to the bottom of the crankcase. What I don't want to do is over tighten anything. Because all of these things are easily warped. They're such thin metals, particularly the strainer. I don't know if it's some kind of magnesium alloy, or I know the crankcase is made from magnesium. Might as well be made from kryptonite. Ugh. My hands are getting really greasy. They're super oily. Ugh. In hindsight, if you're doing this, just jack the car up. Ah! It's slipping out of my hands. Oh, my arm's getting tired. Come on, we are so close to getting, hopefully, bud done. Oh, there's an exhaust sticking in me. So I think these are meant to be torqued. to a specific value. I don't have a torque wrench, so I really am just kind of guessing, making it snug without hopefully warping or bending anything. The real test will be when I put oil in, and then when I start using the engine, putting the engine under pressure, see if anything squirts out of there. That seems to be on pretty tight. I haven't done it so tight so that these are ridiculous, but I've done them super snug. Okay, so that's the sump plate back on. Oh, I forgot a bit. No, I'm just kidding. So back to the engine bay. We've got the dipstick. I have cleaned that and checked that's okay. I've taken the oil filler cap off and put the funnel in ready. I've cleaned this. You can see the cork is a little worse for wear, so I'm probably going to invest in a new one of these. So only a couple of bucks. And that's the oil that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to put in, it's 2.5 litres, which is half of that. I'm only going to put in 1 and a bit litres to start with, and then check underneath and make sure that I'm not leaking at all. And then I'll put the rest in, and I'll keep checking with the dipstick by pulling it out. I'll keep checking. It's a bit awkward with the phone in the way. That it is between those 2 points, I believe. Too little, too much, in the middle somewhere. Okay, that should take me to my 2.5 litres.